Welcome back, Fiat fans. I got a nice big box from Auto Ride Canby here. What could it be? Ha! Exhaust. It's funny, we have a box inside a box. And a book. Excellent. The parts we need for the exhaust. Ooh, yeah. Now this is Auto Ride Canby's unresonated exhaust. It's basically just a straight pipe. And ain't it pretty? The kit comes with some new bolts and washers and nuts, which is good. And it also comes with a new muffler bearing. Now the only tools you're gonna need is a 17mm and a 15mm socket. Wrenches will work fine too. Some silicone lubricant might come in handy to help lubricate the exhaust hangers too. Alright, I lied. We'll need a 9/16 for the factory bolts, which is kind of strange for an Italian-Japanese car. And I'm going to use my impact to zip these things off because I'm lazy. Easy peasy. Now that you have it unbolted, what you have to do now is remove the stock muffler from the exhaust mounts. And I'm going to hit it with some silicone spray just to help lube them up a little. You don't want to use WD-40 for this. You want to use some type of silicone because that's much better for the rubber than WD-40 or anything oil-based like that. Now we just got to pull the muffler out of these things. Maybe a small pry tool will help loosen these guys up. Whew, Jesus, that's one. Alright, you get the first one off, and then the rest are easy. Now I gotta do the same thing on this side. Only one left. All right. Compare the new one to the factory one. And you know, the new one's a good 15 or 20 pounds lighter than this big old factory muffler too. That's good. We gotta pop the old muffler bearing off here, install the new one, and hopefully putting the new one on is a little bit easier than taking the old one off. Oh yeah, much easier. I just did one on the other side to help hold it up. Ah, these things just slide right on. A lot easier than taking them off. With the hangers attached, all that's left is putting the new bolts in. You know, it didn't actually come with instructions, but I think maybe the washer goes on the nut side, or the bolt side. Because the nut has an integrated washer. It probably just doesn't matter that much either. There weren't any torque specs listed, so what do you guys think? Just like 5 ugga-duggas? I'm just kidding. Let's do it by hand. You definitely want to do this by hand because you're actually crushing that that muffler seal in there, exhaust seal. and you want to be able to feel when it actually squishes and bottoms out. So it's definitely improved in the looks department, even though I think these tips are kind of funny looking. Got funky little splits. But let's see how she sounds.